G01 is a fundamental command in CNC programming, specifically designed for linear interpolation. This command allows the machine to move in a straight line from its current position to a designated point, providing accuracy and precision to machining operations. Understanding G01 is essential for anyone working with CNC machines, as it forms the basis for creating complex shapes and designs. When programming with G01, the user typically specifies the desired coordinates along the X, Y, and Z axes. For example, a command entered as G01 X50, Y25 Z10 means that the machine will move to the point defined by those coordinates in a straight line. The use of controlled feed rates further enhances the process, allowing the operator to adjust the speed at which the machine moves towards the target position, ensuring the integrity of the material being cut. Moreover, the G01 command is often combined with other G codes to achieve more intricate tasks. It is pivotal in coordinating movements during operations like milling, drilling, or cutting, where fluid transitions between points are vital for the finished product's quality. The ability to program G01 effectively allows machinists to unleash their creativity, while ensuring that each movement meets the tight tolerances required in modern manufacturing. In conclusion, G01 serves as a powerful tool in CNC machining, granting operators the ability to execute precise linear movements. Mastery of this command fosters a deeper understanding of CNC programming, leading to greater confidence in producing high-quality parts efficiently